All right, here we go again with the Blizzard. Maybe this will be the one where we get the Molten Core Parallel. That'd be sweet. Molten Core Parallel. We almost have the whole set. That's cool. Only missing 2 cards. We got the Canadian superstar from Overwatch. I think her name was like Quiara or something like that. Oh, you got your girl Diva. Zagara. Jaina. Oh, and we got a new horde parallel. Bala. Diablo. Yep, the demon hunter. And Anduin Rin. Another double. Oh, we got a cool background. Rakanoth. Adria. And Jaina Proudmoore from Warcraft. Yeah, it's even better than that one there. Yeah, the white background's so clean. Dude, if every card was like that, whew, some of them would be insane. Like this one's nice. Yeah, yeah. Look, it does. It almost looks like it's a sketch card. Making Maker. Ooh, Garage Hellscream. I believe that's a new word parallel. Agwin. Ramash Hellscream. Oh shit, we got father and son. That's cool. Oh man, I can't get enough of these cards. This is the best card in the set right here. We need to get this, and if I got this in the Molten Core Parallel, I'll do a backflip. I'll turn my camera around and do a backflip. Calling it. I couldn't even. I tried to see if anyone had ever posted a picture of that card with the Molten Core Parallel, but I don't think anyone's ever even opened one. That's the crazy thing about this thing is like the Molten Core Parallels only come out of these packs. So like the hobby packs don't have them, so you have to crack the blasters for them. So there's actually not that many of them out there. Brand Bronzebeard. Ooh, Butcher. Or Parallel. You know what? I don't actually have him in the regular. This is one of the ones I'm missing in the regular, too. I got the Horde Parallel first. That's funny. Banshee. Valeria Windrunner. Yep, the Three Sisters. Sylvanas. I don't know what this one is. I don't remember her name is. Alera and Sylvanas. I don't remember her. Ooh. I think we had this one before, but I like this one. This. Maybe. I don't remember her name. This card would go hard with a parallel on it, too. The Dark Templar. And they really, I wonder. I wonder if the ones that I have on the list here are the rarest of the commons. Cause what was her name? Marissa. Oh, we got the multi card here, the Arcade Collection. Sombra. Monzo. Ooh, we got a new Garage Cube piece. Rakanoth. Spoiler already, but we got the Horde Parallel Lucio. That's a new one. Dommy Mommy Lilith. Oh, we got that cool like oil painting Thrall card. And oh, the SCV good to go. I almost have. Guess I could put these. Oh, I thought you were gonna run some like new meta shit, man. All right, come on, come on, come on, juice pack. Oh shit, I had already opened a pack. All right, my bad. I forgot I went to go sleep, and I was like, "What's this pack doing here?" That's a little whoopsies. Oh, we got all the oh shit, we got the horizontal squad. I think we have this one already. I think we have 2 of these already. Dude, I think I saw. Oh, we got the villain again. And Minx. Ooh, that card's sick, dude. That art is nasty on the style. Tail. Molten Core. And this is cool. I think this one is a double. I know there's like 3 of them. I think I have this. All right, the pack that I had started to open. Dog. Windrunner. This one, I guess, is from Hearthstone, so you got a different pose. Oh, this one's a whole different direction. Okay. Yeah. Aura. Romosh Hellscream on the Horde Parallel. I like that black and white art. That looks like a sketch card, too. Sure. Raynor. And the Warden herself. All right, come on, come on, come on. Rub it for good luck. We got the Diablo on the back. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. All right, we have a character that literally forced them to change the meta of Overwatch. That's good. We got a rip card. We got a rip card. Hold on. It's a thick boy. Holy, it's a thicky boy. Oh, we got the Kiri. Dude, this is new art too on the Horde Parallel. Holy. I don't even have this in the regular version. I've seen the if you want to look on eBay, there's the Molten Core version of this. It looks disgusting. They want $1,000 for it in a PSA 10. Obviously, they want offers for it, but it's probably like a $300-400 card in Molten Core. And then we got the sick Diablo. Holy crap! Okay, what is this? Oh, I don't know if I want to open it. I don't know if I want to open it. I don't know. I don't know. No. I've watched people open rip cards, and I own a bunch of minis from rip cards because, like I said, they're not. Some of them aren't worth a lot, but they're good. All right, I will open it. All right, let's do it. Let's do it. All right, time for the rip card. I want to do this carefully, though. I've never done this before. I look at a video how to do this. Where do I even start? Yeah, and it's like, uh, yeah, I'm trying to do it without damaging the grip card itself or the card inside. Oh. All right. I don't know. All right, I'm gonna try this here. Ooh. Okay. I got it. Here we go. All right, I got the little tab going. I used the edge of that knife there to pick it up. Ooh, it's shiny under there. Shiny's nice. I don't know what character. A good character. We just we just we need a good character. I don't know. All right. Yeah. Can anyone tell? You even got a little bit of the lettering. R-I. All right. We'll get. What side do we want first? Left or right? Left or right? We'll go right side because left side's the name. Rin, the first disciple. All right, not a big card. Not a big card. That's cool though. Oh, that's cool. It's in like a little sleeve. Got it in a little sleeve. Rin the disciple. We got a parallel though. We got the mage parallel. Yeah, because there's like base cards you can get. It's not, and then there's another hit you can get where the back is like a gold back. That's the like the golden version in Hearthstone. All right, not the biggest character, not a Thrall or Alexstrasza. That's why we had no idea who it was. Rin, the first disciple. If somebody got that off of just the little door picture, you are a wild genius. You're a wow. You're a wild genius if you did that. That's going to be everything. Appreciate you all watching. Till the next time. Peace out.